Yo man, what's up guys? Welcome back to ZMstrategy.com. This is Megesh Kamanuel, the founder of ZM Strategy. Currently I want to share you guys an opportunity that's currently going on. ZM Strategy is introducing a manual affiliate system that can fetch you a good sum of money on your pocket. Yeah, on your pocket, a very good sum of money on your pocket. For those of you guys that are currently following us on WhatsApp, YouTube, Telegram, you're going to know that ZM Strategy is into different variety of business. We are into cryptocurrency, we are into forex, we are into binary option, we are into digital marketing as well, and we are also into web development as well. So currently, ZM Strategy is offering a manual affiliate system on a cryptocurrency aspect. Yeah, on a cryptocurrency aspect that can fetch you guys a good sum of money. So how does this manual affiliate system work? For those of you guys going to know that, you know that ZM Strategy do offer one of the best market rates when it comes to buying of cryptocurrency, both Perfect Money, Skrill, Nentella, gift card, and so that we offer one of the best rates when it comes to buy that. So currently, ZM Strategy wants you guys to partake on that particular offer, on that particular rate which we do buy cryptocurrency and gift card and Perfect Money and others. So we want you guys to partake on that particular opportunity. So how does it work? It's very easy. If our ZM Strategy is buying Bitcoin at 571 per dollar, is that like currently we are buying Bitcoin at 576 per dollar. Do you hear that again? We are buying Bitcoin at 576 per dollar. That is the sweet rate, man. The sweet rate. Currently you are buying Bitcoin at 576 per dollar. So we want you guys to partake on this offer. So what you just have to do is very easy. Firstly, if you are interested in this offer, you just have to message me that yes, I'm interested, I want to partake on this current offer that is going on. So what I'll do is that we have already created a group that we add that we are going to add you guys, and we are going to teach you guys the process on how to achieve this opportunity that is currently going on. So like I said, what you have to do is just for you to message me, to DM me, because immediately I'm done with this video, I'm going to post it online for you guys to see it. So immediately you are finished watching the video and you are interested for the opportunity, so what you need to do is for you to DM me, and I will add you to the group chat, and I will explain what you need to do. So this just how it works. So let's say for example, like I say, currently we are buying Bitcoin at 576 per dollar, man. That is the sweet rate, 576 per dollar. So what you just need to do is that you're on your various place of marketing, maybe you are using WhatsApp, or you are using Telegram, you can post it that you also are also buying Bitcoin at 576 per dollar. It sounds strange, right? So let me just give you a little bit what I mean by that. So like I said, we are buying Bitcoin at 576 per dollar. You also can post it on your WhatsApp that you are also buying Bitcoin at 576 per dollar. So let's say for example, someone like DM you that yes, okay, I want to sell Bitcoin I want to sell Bitcoin to you. So what you have to do is that you have to send that person our address. Yes, our company address. You send that person our company address. So immediately that person are finished maybe sending the Bitcoin to that wallet address. So the person will forward the screenshot, then you will now forward with the screenshot. So immediately we have confirmed the payment that yes, we have received so amount of Bitcoin. We will send you the screenshot, then you also will also send that person the screenshot as well. So after the person which is receiving the screenshot, so the person will forward you his account details, then you will forward that account details to us. So after we have finished making the payment to that account details, we'll forward the payment proof to you, and you will forward the payment proof to the person which you buy Bitcoin for. So immediately you have done with this, maybe at least in a week you did up to 4, 5, 6, 10 transactions in a week. So immediately we are now in the weekend, which is on Saturday. You will receive your payment. Yeah, you will receive your commission for that transaction that you did on that week. You can see that it's very sweet, and the sweet thing about it is that you are going to aim up to 40% commission from us. Wow, 40% commission. That is a good sum of money. 40% commission. Just assume that Zedem Strategy is making at least maybe on that transaction that you did, we are making about, let's say we make about 5,000 naira example, or make 4,000 naira, 4,000 naira on that particular transaction that you did, and maybe you are making 40%. Definitely you are making almost about close to 2,000 naira profit for that simply tax that you did. Yeah, like I said, the instruction is very simple. If we are buying Bitcoin at 5.7, because like I said, currently we are buying Bitcoin at 5.76 per dollar. We are buying Bitcoin. We are buying, it's not just Bitcoin. We are buying Bitcoin. We are buying Bitcoin Cash. We are buying Ethereum. We are buying a Litecoin. We are buying Dogecoin. We are buying all the old cryptocurrency at the same rate. Both USDT, BUSD, as well. We are buying all the cryptocurrency at the same market rate. Wow. The same market rate. That is how we are buying all the cryptocurrency. So immediately you are buying Bitcoin at a particular price, what you need to do is to post that same price that you also are buying Bitcoin at that particular price. So whatsoever anybody deeming that they want to sell Bitcoin to you, like I said, you will forward the person our company address. Then after the person have finished sending the Bitcoin to that address, you will forward with the screenshot after you have done confirming the Bitcoin and also make the payment. At the end of the week, your money is going to be calculated and you are going to receive your commission, your payment. Sorry for that. You are going to receive your payment on a weekly basis, man. On a weekly basis. Like I say, this opportunity is something that you can do at your home, you can do at your business, you can do at anywhere you are. What you need to do, what you need is just your phone and your internet connection. That's all. And when you want to embark in a buying and selling on cryptocurrency business, maybe gift cards, screen rental as well, you need to be online 247. Yeah, you need to be online 247 so that you're not going to miss this opportunity. So you need to be online 247. So what you need to do, those friends you have that know that they are into Bitcoin, that they are into crypto, you can start making your advertisement that yes, I do buy Bitcoin, I do buy gift card, I do buy screen, I do buy Nintella, I do buy Perfect Money. You start making your your advertisement to them so that you can be able to make use of them, because they are your friends. So at least they will have that trust in you to sell the Bitcoin to you, and then you will making commission per each transaction. You are making up to 40% commission per each transaction. They are making 40% commission on this transaction, and you can see that on a weekly basis you are likely to get 10, 20, 30, 40,000, 50,000, depend on the numbers of transactions you are doing on a particular week. So I think these are the little opportunity we have currently, and we are coming up with some sweet strategy that can fetch you guys money on both forex trading, binary option trading, and also cryptocurrency trading. What I mean about cryptocurrency is that on the spot aspect and also on the future aspect. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I still remain Chika Emmanuel, the founder of Zedem Strategy. So I'll see you guys in my next video. So like I said, if you are interested in this opportunity after you are finished watching the video, they mean that I'm interested, so we'll get started with you. So bye for now. I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye. I love you guys.